Multiple people are dead after a sightseeing helicopter has crashed in New York City's East River with 5 trapped inside as it sank. The helicopter, a Eurocopter AS-350, crashed into the water on Sunday night at around 7 p.m. near East 90th Street and Roosevelt Island, closer to the Manhattan Bank. One person escaped the crash and 5 were trapped inside as the helicopter sank, police said. FDNY and NYPD Special Operations Marine units rushed to the scene to attempt rescue by around 7:20 p.m. By around 8:15 p.m. word came that all 5 victims had been removed from the helicopter. Their condition was not immediately cleared. The downed chopper was towed to the 34th Street heliport to be pulled from the water. Water rescue units were staging at the heliport. Footage from the moment of the crash shows the helicopter descending upright onto the water, as if to land. The red chopper hits the water and then begins to flip within seconds, its blades striking the river as it turned upside down. Witnesses said the chopper sank beneath the water within minutes. Any person who escaped from the crash was picked up by a tugboat, sources said. Roughly an hour after the crash, emergency services were still searching for the 5 people who were believed to be trapped on board when it sank. The Federal Aviation Administration said in a statement that the helicopter was a Eurocopter AS-350. The FAA said that the National Transportation Safety Board will determine the probable cause of the crash.